Ryan here with another product review for sillyreviews.com, and today we're going to be reviewing the Razer Blackwidow mechanical gaming keyboard. And been having this keyboard, God, I want to say I bought it 3.5 years ago, and it's really served me well. I love the feedback that a mechanical keyboard gives you. I'm no gamer. I don't use this for gaming. I don't play games on the PC unless it's, you know, an emulator with a gamepad. But I just wanted to buy a decent quality mechanical keyboard, and this was rather new to the market when I bought it. I took a little bit of a gamble on it. I know the first run of these, there were some problems with some keys. Luckily, I haven't experienced any issues with it. It's got these, for someone who isn't using this for gaming, there are extra features, you know, besides just a good quality build of it, and that is that there are these programmable keys here, and you can use those to set up macros for coding, any kind of monotonous, redundant, I guess is the word, keying in that you do. You can program it to, you know, basically you would hit the hotkey, you set up a profile using the software that's included with it, or you can download it online, and you know, instead of having to type out, you know, long strings of code over and over again, or copy paste, control CV, whatever, you would just use your profile with these hotkeys, and that's really a time saver. I find myself using that. I mean, overall, I've really got to give this thing 2 thumbs up. It's not ideal in a shared office environment. If, you know, maybe you're working in cubicle settings, or, you know, anywhere where noise may bother other people, because as you can, I'll type a little bit on here. Let's see, I can type I like weenies, and you can hear that the key clicking is pretty loud, so that's something to consider. But go ahead and use the link in the description if you want to check out more information about it, purchase it, get free shipping. Oh, I got to give it 2 thumbs up for the Razer Blackwidow mechanical gaming keyboard. It's another product review by Ryan for sillyreviews.com. Thank you for watching.